Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to clean C drive fast in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your File Explorer. Now select your C drive. Now click the right button of your mouse. Go to Properties. Here you can see Details. You have to press on this. Now scroll down. Here you will find the option of refresh. You have to click on this. So this is how you can clean your C drive fast in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.